Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. This is it's a weeknight cooks, and you know when I film weeknight cooks, they're generally a little bit faster cook. So yeah, we got some boneless chicken breasts. We're gonna get on the grill or the Weber kettle. Gonna cook them up over some little bit of applewood smoke, and normally I'd set this up in a baking pattern. Not gonna do it this time. I want some grill marks on the chicken. We'll get some grill marks on them, pull them off, let them finish up indirect. Let me show you how we're gonna do it, folks. Alright guys, as you can see, we got 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts here. It'll be a fairly fast cook, I do believe. I'm just gonna come in here with some Grillaholics, the herbaceous hen. I've used this before. It's great seasoning. I love it on chicken like this. And we're just gonna get it on here, guys. Give this a flip. As once this grill gets up to temp there, we're going to dump the charcoal and get this chicken on there. It's pretty darn close right there. A little bit of a grease fire we're gonna let burn off there. Alright, I think we're good. Oh crap. Hey guys, we're going to go directly over direct heat for just a few minutes on each side. I've got a little bit of applewood here. I'm going to get on here just to get a little hint of smoke on them for us. We'll check back in just a few minutes. Give these guys a flip. Oh wow, a little darker than I intended. That's okay. It's okay. Check back in a few more minutes. Alright folks, we'll pull these indirect. We're going to check some temps. If they're not done, we're going to let them cook indirect the rest of the way. 140. This has got a little bit of ways to go. We got a little bit to go, but that's alright. We knew we would. I'm going to sit over here, cook indirect for a bit, and yeah, we'll take it to the next step. Scoot that one up just a little bit. Check back in a few minutes. Alright guys, as the remainder of my wood burns off here, we're pretty close here to 165, 161. But I need to get the base in this with some 150, 160 right there. By the time we're done here, we'll be at 165. I'm gonna glaze these guys with some sugar or Sweet Baby Ray's. I almost said Sugar Ray. Sweet Baby Ray's, no sugar added. This is the sweet and smoky barbecue sauce. Had some left in the fridge, and I'm gonna get some of this on this chicken. I don't often glaze chicken breast, but you know, why not? Probably more than enough for these 3 pieces of chicken. I did flip these things off camera a couple times. I didn't want to bore you with every flip. And I won't bore you with every baste. I'm going to do this 2 or 3 times on each piece, on each side of this. And guys, I will see you in the kitchen where we'll cut it up and get a bite. Guys, would you look at that? I hope it's as good as it looks. Let me get my family fed. We'll come back up and give us a taste of that one right there. Alright guys, let's come on in here. Nice beautiful piece of chicken. Guys, have you tried this yet? The Bush's 0 added sugar baked beans. I really didn't think I'd like it, but I kind of do. Some of that on in here. This is just a pre-made American potato salad we picked up over at the grocery store. We'll come on in here and get us a cut or 2 of this. Just a taste. Some juices in there. Let's get a bite of that. Right there. And guys, let's see how we did. That's not a big bite. We'll bite part of that. Definitely got some applewood smoke in there. Not enough smoke for a ring, but it's got some good flavor in there. That sweet and smoky from Sweet Baby Ray's. That is no sugar added. There's like 1 gram of sugar, something like that. One more bite. That's good chicken, guys. For a quick weeknight meal. I say quick. It took about an hour total for this cook. So it wasn't real quick, but it was faster than a good long low and slow. So hope you enjoyed that. I'm often asked what the best way to support this channel is. Guys, it's always the same answer. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you have not already, share it if you haven't. Give it a shot, that helps us out a lot. So guys, thank you as always, guys, and we will see you on the next cook. God bless you folks. Bye-bye.